up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another vlog. So today's gonna be a very exciting day. We're going on the boat. I'm getting gas, so I'm going right now. I'm just gonna go pick up some gas. These jugs of water. All I need is just a 5-gallon tank. Hopefully I don't need any more than that. I don't know what they have to get. I don't know. I never know. What is that on my dash? I don't know what that was. My phone. It's hot. It's hot in here. Oh, good die. It's so hot in here. Just filled up G.I. Joe, picked up some gas. Now I'm gonna fill it up into the boat. Let's go. The boat, Michael, Ashley, Mom and Kathy, they're on their way here. They were just slow. Getting through the jungle. Da-da-dee, da-da-da, da-da-da. It was like that vlog yesterday where I got pranked a little bit. Man, that was good. Those great people. They really are. They're really fun to hang out with. Took a little bit extra time trying to edit that video. That's why I kind of uploaded around 12. Originally I would upload around like 9 in the morning, but it took me a little bit. Done that many boat vlogs. Today will be a boat vlog. Boat vlog. Said that weird. Yeah, that'll be a perfect time lapse video. My time lapse.
Sit.
I'm vlogging.
And you're okay.
There you go.
Well, that way.
The people? You're not the people?
You're the people. And
Did you see? You were on the vlog this morning.
I saw it.
Oh, you watched it, Grandma?
I was watching the other one.
We're watching the live one.
Watch them.
Yeah, you gotta watch the previous one.
You did a good job of cutting everything. I know.
Hey, hungry. We docked up with some friends. Some chips. I thought I smelled something. I'm like, I smell sunscreen.
Want some?
No, I'm good.
I took over their little snack.
Okay. Place is busy.
I don't like that store.
Say hi.
The more I pay, the more I
How you liking that lake?
shorts and all.
Running what?
Yeah?
Yeah.
What about you, Al?
Yeah, no, Jody told me that years ago.
Lovely couple. Yeah.
Jody told me that years ago. Yeah. What's that there? This?
Hey, good.
Yeah.
Look at the sky. It's so nice out. It's great.
Amelia.
How you doing, Grandma? Get over the sky. You gotta enjoy those time lapses.
Oh, you gotta take a picture of him coming up for your vlog. Show the ice cream.
Oh, I will. There's an ice cream man all the way down there. Can you guys see him through the boat? Can't really see it, the reflection. Where is he? Where'd he go?
He's got the big flag on his boat.
Big flag. You guys see that American flag? That beautiful flag flagging around here? Got 2 hot chicks right over there in that floaty.
I want to see your menu. What do you got?
Hey, stay over here.
He's coming. He's coming.
I'm not talking.
I'm going to help him because I'm right here. He's going to hit me if he doesn't. No, you're fine.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I want to know your menu.
What do you want?
Ice cream sandwich. What's that? Another cone. Fudgicle.
Watch your head.
Okay. I don't want you to put that in there.
Get with the credit cards? You get enough signal? I did, not in here.
What should I get?
This is called
You shouldn't get any.
Anywhere else?
This is the menu.
Right there.
Ashley.
Oh, I'm gonna get one of those. I got what I wanted.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Very good.
Go.
3 creams.
And then we got
On
this
your vlog?
baby. See you guys later.
Dad's gonna drive?
Yeah, he'll try. What's up, guys? Kind of skipping around. The last clip was us on the equipment, all the drums and stuff from last night. Was it last night? 2 nights ago? Being said, I'll see you guys in the future. Don't forget to just always, always, always just be you. Peace.